Samidoh nĩarĩkĩtie kũgegia na gũcanjamũra mafans na kũmakenia na njĩra ya mwanya mũno after what he has done today as Edday celebrates her birthday. Samidoh nĩakorwo akĩamua kũingĩra nenda-inĩ yake na gũkorwo agĩtambũra na gũkũngũĩra Edday, ũndũ aingĩ matigo makiuga na kumbũra it has come as a surprise, tondũ Edday shared her post kĩroko kĩa ũmũthĩ tene mũno, na thutha ũcio aingĩ matigo metereire na makĩyũria isn't Samidoh going to celebrate Edday, tondũ ona nginya post ĩrĩa Edday aciĩrĩire Samidoh was not among the over 19,000 people who liked the photo. No maikaro metereire, na to their surprise Samidoh nĩakorwo akĩingĩra nenda-inĩ yake and shared a very heartwarming post. And it wasn't just a post kana ciugo o ũguo, aca, he has shared this post, accompanied it with Edday's photo o ta ũrĩa ũrakĩona, with a song playing in the background ya happy birthday, na ciugo ici iria akorwo akĩra Edday atĩ celebrating the radiant spirit of the esteemed mother of our progeny on her birthday. Here's to a birthday filled with laughter, shared memories, and enduring camaraderie. Happy birthday at Edday Nderitu. Samidoh akiuga today he appreciates this close friend of his, this close person, someone filled with laughter, the mother of his kids. Na nĩamwendithĩria happy birthday njega mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, na nĩ ũndũ wa kenero mũno nĩ mafans makĩmũtũgĩria mũno for this act of love to Edday Nderitu. Na mafans makiuga rĩu nĩ mahorera, they are happy to see Samidoh finally appreciating Edday on her birthday, and not just appreciating her in silence, sharing it on social media publicly. I celebrate Edday Nderitu. Now once again, happy birthday to Edday.